looks like it's went to the side a little bit. Look at that! Look at all this shit flying up.
I know.
It's crazy. Oh, now it's just down the road, man. It's just down the road.
Yeah, it's like
yeah.
It's like it's gonna rip the building. Holy shit!
Oh! Run.
Oh my god!
Fuck, bro.
Oh, it's coming down! Not on my car! Not on my car!
Get the green car out on the road!
Where is it?
It's coming this way!
Holy shit!
That is fucking nuts.
$5 grand show, crazy? So why? No, but it's just
It's hitting from middle
there we go. Yeah, awesome.
That is fucking nuts, eh?
Yeah, that's cool. Fucking cool place, that part down there.
Yeah, right. I don't think you've got the best camera.